the red wire.
Hello, pretty
What does this red wire
birds.
go to?
Hello.
What is this place?
Hello, vanilla.
That book just
Hello,
fell.
blue raspberry.
Hello? Is anyone here? Where's all the competition?
Hello.
Can I open this door? No? Okay, I'm just going. Whoa!
Hello.
Not liking that. Nope. I am not good with scary games.
Polly,
Okay.
want a cracker?
Follow the red wire. Everything's gonna be okay.
Pretty birds. Are you pretty birds?
Move a bookshelf. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, what is this? Oh, what the heck is this? Whoa! What in the world? Okay, on my way out of here. Did I? Oh, okay. So we're going down here. Dude, I want to get out of here. This place is absolutely terrifying. Oh, what was that sound? Okay. Just keep swimming. Wait. Haven't I already been here? This place looks familiar. I mean, then again, this whole building looks familiar. Wait. What? I was literally just here. Okay, let's go. Whoa, wait, I've already been down this hallway. I'm gonna go back downstairs. I'm gonna go this way. This is really weird. Oh, wait, there's someone over there. Hello? Help? Okay.
Hello.
This is just great.
Hello.
I've literally already been here. I'm going in circles. Okay, what is this?
Hello. Hello.
I'm going here. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, this gym looks... Oh, and the tree's on fire. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I should probably leave now.
Hello.
Follow a red wire. What is this? Can I open this? Okay, it looks like there's a power thing back there. I probably have to get back there. This is a weird place and it's creepy and I'm not having a good time. I guess I'm gonna go
Creepy?
back upstairs, although I just came from
Creepy?
here. I don't know, I feel like I need to start going in.
Creepy.
What's going on? There's gotta be like some clues or something somewhere.
Hello.
Ooh, Vince, what if I try
You
to
guys
find
have
Vince?
carrot-stained feathers?
Look at that.
Huh, pretty
Look at there,
birds?
Vince. If I could get inside.
Hello,
maybe
pretty birds.
I could escape. Maybe.
Hello.
Just maybe. That room is blocked off.
Hello, pretty birds.
What the heck? I've already been
Hello.
here. I'm so confused. Okay, look. I go down here, and then I'm here, which is exactly where? And then I walk over here, and wait, it's just making a big loop. Oh, this game is confusing. Okay, let's just follow this red wire. It keeps telling me to follow the red wire, so I will do just that. That's a dead end. What if I go